Hello everybody, this is Itay Verchik, and in this guide I'm going to show you how you can use Yoast SEO in order to edit your htaccess file, blocking some bots that won't crawl your website. Okay, so first of all, in order to be able to download the Yoast SEO plugin, you have to log into your user admin in WordPress, as we saw in previous guides. Just go inside this dashboard right here. And on the main menu, you have the plugins and the new plugin right here, and just search for the plugin to download it, Yoast SEO. I already have it, as you saw, so I will just need to update it. As you can see right here, you will have the option to install it right now and activate it after you have installed it. And then on the main menu, you will see the Yoast SEO tab. Just click on Tools, which this is the page I can edit the files that I need. Just click on File Editor, and then you will see, of course, the robots.txt option to edit it, as we saw in previous guides. And this is the htaccess file. Now, just be careful, because every letter or character that you will have here that is not in place, it will make your website to fall. It won't be online, which is bad. Then you will have to log into your FTP or SFTP or your file manager in order to delete this file and create it again. Then only then your website will come back again live. So this is the first lines that you can see for blocking bots, bad bots like Ahrefs, semrush, which are not bad actually, but it will help your server to be much more stable. And of course, other SEO promoters won't be able to see any data on your website because they cannot crawl it with other systems like semrush, Ahrefs, and Majestic. So you can see that you have a lot of bots that scan your website like LinkedIn and so on. Just copy paste these lines. I will put it on the description below on this video so you can just copy paste it, put it on the htaccess file and save the changes. That's it. This is how you can improve your security on your website, improve your speed, and of course edit your htaccess file. And this is how you do it. As you saw, it's very easy using Yoast SEO plugin in order to edit your htaccess file in WordPress. If you have any more questions, you can write down all the comments below and leave a comment. And on the first comment, I put the link to my full guide on my website. And if you like this video, you can like, subscribe, comment, and share, and good luck.